Alright, we're back at the Woodsty, and we got a piece of birch. There's some cracking in here, but I think I can make it work. There's a lot of interesting grain that I think will emerge. So I'm going to throw this on here and see if I can't get a bowl to emerge.
Birch, a fine-looking wood that likes to remind turners they're not as skilled as they think. It's smooth and bright, until Zed touches it. Soft grain, easy to bruise, and always ready to tear out just enough to test his patience. Today, Zed's turning a birch bowl. The goal is simple: make it look intentional. To finish things off, Zed's adding wire burns around the rim, a classic move when you want to add contrast, or, more accurately, disguise the spots where the tool slipped. Nothing says craftsmanship like hiding your crimes with hot metal.
I just do. Going hard in the club in the late night, I kinda hate that too. But being with you kinda got me liking a lot of things that I never knew. Sometimes I get a little shy, but I don't want to wait you. You make me want to touch the sky. You make me want to get you. I ain't no social butterfly, but when I'm next to you, I feel like I want to dance all night. Baby, I don't dance. Baby, I don't dance. But if you do, I do. I don't go out. I don't go out. But I wanna go out with you. I don't make plans. I don't make plans.
When I find myself in this situation, I realize I should have started this bowl back here, because that's the center of the pith, and that's why it popped out like that, which is annoying. Now I could just leave it alone, sand it back a little bit, or I can go for a shallower bowl. Those of you who know me and watch my channel know I'm probably going to leave it here, sand it back, because I like the blemishes. That's why I left this live edge in, and just a hint of it here. So yeah, it's just all part of it, I guess. I got to be careful about sanding this back, because obviously the super glue might be brittle, but good times. doke. There we go. Little birch bowl. There's some good color in this one. It's very subtle. Some of that spalting, that bluish, all throughout. Gets a little darker there. There's the kind of just under the bark. And then we got the live edge. My repair is pretty much invisible, so that's good. Number 434 with a foot. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So thanks for watching. Throw your comments below, and we'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned for the montage.
Yeah.